Today's topic is about web technology. Web technology refers to the various tools and the techniques which are used in the communication process between the two devices over an internet. It provides the many tools and the techniques to the communication process between the devices. The web technology is classified into five types: World Wide Web, web browser, web services, web development. So, coming into the World Wide Web, which is most commonly used in the nowadays, which it's a public website where the user can access the in their local computers and even in another devices through the internet. So we are using this world wide web in our common daily life in the process of searching some content here, in an internet, something like that. And the world wide web will also uses the technologies, HTML and the HTTP are these two. By using these two type of technologies, we can access the world wide web. So coming into the world web browser, and another application of the World Wide Web is in a web browser, which provides an interface between the server and the client. When the communication is taking place between the server and the client, it provides some type of a browsing technology to make sure that server can get the content very easily. So getting into the another type is web server. It is a type of a program where it processes the internet request of the user and the server, and this processing and in this exchange takes place using the HTTP by between the user and the server. Then this HTTP is known as a hypertext transfer protocol, which transfers from one user side to the server side and the server side to the user side, which helps the user to understand very easily. Coming into the next type is a web pages. It gives some detailed information or a documentation of something in a linker way to the world web. These pages are viewable and by anyone connected in the internet. This is used when we are in search of notes, something about a content. These web pages will provide the detailed documentation which is used to understand the content very easily. So next, coming into the web development. Web development refers to the maintaining, creating or developing the websites, various types of websites. Here we can develop many websites and make sure that these websites are detailed and information is very clarity, and it includes aspects such as web design, web publishing, web programming, database management. Every website is designed here and it will be published, and data will be managed properly in this web development. When coming into the web development, it is of two types of development are there. It's of front end and the back end. Front end is of a user side application and the back end is of the server side application. Part of the website, the user will directly interact to the computer or something like that, so that the user, it is a easy process for the user side itself. We cannot we cannot extend the process behind the user side, whereas in the back end we can extend the process beyond the user, where the server, it is a server side website. We can even store the information and arrange them in a proper manner. It is not directly we cannot interact it directly. We cannot see this process. This web development is learning this web development will provide a weightage towards the resume. So next.